Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you the best video effect settings for online meetings. Simply go to the settings and scroll down, tap on the option advanced features. Now here you can see the option video effects. Tap on this one. So here you can choose the colors for the online meeting, and you can also add the background images. Okay. You can see from here you can select any color from here, and also you can change the background. Tap on the plus icon, it will directly go to the your gallery, and from here you can easily select the image and you can easily start the meetings. So this is the best video effects settings for online meetings. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.